PUBG is ditching Tencent in order to avoid India's recent ban on Chinese apps. That most recent ban banning almost 200 more apps. And obviously PUBG being the biggest. I talked to a lot of people on social media. I saw the messages coming in. People were upset. They said, I got to play my PUBG. My PUBG is gone all because Tencent's got like 10% of the company. However, they control the publishing in India.
Yes.
Screwing me right up. That's what people said to me. Well, see, PUBG's trying to find a way. And the real company for PUBG, it's in South Korea or whatever. And they're like, why are we? It's a 10%. We got to take the publishing off. We can't lose the whole thing. They're making $2 million. $2.2 million a month is what they made in India alone. I don't know. Last month, it generated $2.2 million in revenue, earning the most among India's top 20 mobile games. So they can't just, there's some money.
They can't do that.
You got to have this money. So they got to figure it out. And so they go in there and say, what if we separate ourselves? Here's a quote right here. PUBG Corporation fully understands and respects the measures taken by the government as the privacy and security of player data is a top priority for the company. It said in a statement, it hopes to work hand in hand with the Indian government to find a solution that will allow gamers to once again drop into the battlegrounds while being fully compliant with Indian laws and regulations. PUBG was a top mobile game by monthly active users in India last year. According to analytics, it was downloaded more than 54 million times. Now, obviously, Tencent wouldn't like this very much, and I don't know what happens to their relationship. Does the PUBG Corporation go in there and buy back that ownership stake in order to alleviate any, or do they quietly say, okay, you can control it elsewhere, but just not in India? Who knows how they address this part of it, or if the Indian government even goes for it. Because PUBG, they get on the phone right now and they say, look, or they make a statement like this. They say, we fully understand and respect you. Government could turn around and say, nah, we don't believe you. We don't like it. They could say, we think you may still have some sort of interaction with Tencent and we're not going to go for it. It's possible that could take place as well. But I would say, at least for those hoping to see PUBG make a comeback in India, there's a little bit of hope there. That if the government's willing to work with them to satisfy, and I don't see why that should be a problem. If they can satisfy the privacy concerns and prove it, then so be it. Bring the game back. It's the way I look at it. But anyway, we'll see if it all works out. PUBG may make a comeback in India.